Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create this text, like this fire text effect on CapCut PC. So I'm just going to type in the word fiery and I'm just going to also select a font for it. I might just select this one. And I am going to also color it like an orange color. And let me just adjust this a little bit. I'm going to go to animation. I'm going to add in an animation, I think. If I don't see one that I like, I'm not going to add one, but it's very lagging, like as you can see. Maybe this like wobbly one, or like there's this like one wavy one. Can't. I'm like taking way too much time, honestly. I'm sorry, you don't have to, but it's going to add that, and I'm going to create a compound clip, and I'm going to go to effects, and I'm just going to type in fire here, and I'm going to add in some fire effects. If you can't find them, it's in cartoon. And just keep adding it inside of the text. So just select it and drag it and place it inside of the the text. And I just added 4. And that's pretty much it, really. You can add a glow if you want, like before. Or if you've done this already, just type in like luminance and then you can add that on. But yeah, that is pretty much it. I'm just going to adjust the filters here. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!